I advise all of my brothers and sisters never to give up hope in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. How Allah says, listen, I know you sinned, I know, but you're thinking that I'm that angry with you, but I'm not. You know, you've burdened yourself, you've overburdened yourself. أسرفوا على أنفسهم. They exceeded too much, they went too extreme with themselves. Right, I know that you've done lots of private haram things, you've done a few haram things out here, even major things, and you feel that you're never going to enter heaven, Jannah. لا تقنطوا من رحمة الله. Don't give up on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy. إن الله يغفر الذنوب جميعا. Allah forgives all sins, everything. جميعا, all of it, all together. So the condition is, come to me. Turn to me again and again and again and again and again and again, 1,000 times, 1,000,000 times. But don't just stay where you are. Always come back.
ولئن أذقنا الإنسان منا رحمة ثم نزعناها منه إنه ليئوس كفور ولئن أذقناه نعماء بعد ضراء مسته ليقولن ذهب السيئات